When it comes to developing a website, one of the most frequently asked questions is, how much will it cost? Unfortunately, the answer to that question is a bit like asking, how long is a piece of string? There is no one-size-fits-all answer, as there are many factors that can impact the cost of a website development. Firstly, what type of website do you need? A plain brochure website with basic information will cost much less than a membership site or an e-commerce platform. For example, a simple brochure website could cost from around £1,500, while an e-commerce website with multiple products will cost from around £3,000. Next, consider how many pages you want on the website. Have you already got the content, the text, images for those pages ready, or do you need those elements created? If you're selling products, the number of products will also impact the cost of the website. A large inventory will require more development work and therefore increase your costs. Additionally, features such as a blog, accessibility settings, email boxes, domain name and a logo can all add to the cost of development. However, these features can also increase your website's functionality, making it more valuable to your business and its customers. When it comes down to it, there's no definitive answer as to how much a website should cost. It really does depend on a variety of factors. That said, smart website development firms can provide a website cost estimation tool to ensure that you get an accurate assessment of the costs before engaging. At Smart Cow Marketing, we offer a website price estimator on our website to help you get an idea of what the project will cost. Ultimately, the cost to develop a website will always depend on the individual requirements, features and complexity. But with a little homework, a consultation from a website development professional, and by using our website price estimator, you should be able to get a better understanding of the costs involved and start you on the road to achieving your online goals.